Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add Instagram, LinkedIn, all your social media profiles to your YouTube channel. So I'll show you first how it looks. So I'll open this channel right here. As you can see, you will he has this section, subscribe to newsletter, his Instagram profile, LinkedIn and Twitter. So I'm going to show you how you can easily add these to your YouTube channel as well. So in order to do this, first I'll open up my profile, click on my profile icon and then go into YouTube Studio. Once I'm in here, I'll have to choose the customization option. I'm gonna click on it, and now I'll have to choose the basic info. As you can see, it has all these things. Now if I scroll down, you have this option links. So I'm going to click on add link, and now we'll have to give your link a title. So maybe I'll name it as Instagram. No. Okay, maybe let's copy this one. So I'll copy this link and then I'm going to paste it right here, and then I can click on publish. Also you can add other social media websites as well by clicking on add link again, and then you can add LinkedIn and then maybe okay. So that's how we can easily add your links to your YouTube channel. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found it informative. If yes, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.